knows it's you I pray for. He knows it's you I pray with. He knows you are my armor, my protector, my relief. He knows you are the music when silence brings me down. He knows you are the perfect fit for the soul behind this gown. And as I walked down the aisle, I couldn't help but smile and cry, 'cause he knows just what I needed in this life. All we know is he knows, and we follow his direction. Even though life is short, we'll share forever in salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let his will be done. 'Cause he knows that I am yours and you are mine. He knows you are my power when I'm feeling weak and sick. He knows you are my harbor that is just within arm's reach. He knows us even better than we ever know ourselves. He knows that we have differences, but he pulls us back in place. When the roads we take get rough, he knows that we can steer them back, and he's ever there to help us clear the path.
Ang bawat isa sa inyo ay pagpapala ng Diyos. Ang pag-aasawa ay pagpapala ng Diyos para sa inyong dalawa.
We'll share forever in salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let his will be done. 'Cause he knows that
I promise to be an understanding wife. I promise na palagi ko kayong pipiliin, mamahalin, aalagaan at iingatan ni Earl.
Napakasaya ko na ikaw ang pinakamagandang biyaya na bigay sa akin ng Diyos sa hapong ito. Ipinapangako kong magiging tapat at totoo sa iyo, hindi lamang bilang asawa, kundi bilang kaibigan at kasama mo sa lahat ng bagay.
that with faith and love we'd start the blood.
Jomalyn Cruz, ibinibigay ko sa iyo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda ng aking dalisay at walang katapusan pag-ibig sa iyo. Papakasal ako sa iyo sa pangalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo.
Papakasal ako sa iyo sa pangalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo.
tinatanggap kita. Jomalyn Cruz, upang maging aking asawa,
Sa pangalan ng ating Panginoong Jesus, tinatanggap kita, Errol Perhino, upang aking maging asawa, upang makasama at mahawakan ka mula sa araw na ito at magpakailanman.